How's it going, guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna check or replace. I'm hoping it's just, the sensor is kind of stuck, but we're gonna find out. So I'm talking about the windshield washing fluid sensor. So this sensor is kind of way over there. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. Let me show you what actually notification I'm getting on the dashboard. Well, let me get my keys in, I guess. Oh, there you go. Check windshield. Check the washer fluid. You guys see that right there? Okay, so I know my washing fluid is tapped off because on this vehicle, when you tapped it off, there is a vent tube that when you overfill it, it just spills it out. Well, let's say that they, spill a bunch of freaking washing fluid. So yeah, that wasn't fun. So I'm hoping that my sensor is just stuck in a closed position, and if it's not, well, we're gonna have to order a new one. I hope, I think, I don't know, 10 bucks? What do you guys think? How much is one of those sensors? Put it down in the comments. I don't know, I think it's like 10 bucks. You wanna bet the Benjamins for it? I bet the Benjamin is 10 bucks. I don't know how that math works, but I guess if I lose 100 bucks. But yeah, let's see, it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm thinking I'm gonna remove the bottom right plastics, see if that's gonna work. Not, that means I need to remove the right tire and the fender. Yeah, let's do it. Well, looks like I have to remove my tire and my fender. Yay! Okay guys, so I'm hoping instead of removing the entire fender, I hope I can just remove the half of it and pull that half out of the way and see if that's gonna work out. Woo! Okay guys, so let me show you what's the deal and see how we're gonna tackle it. Okay guys, so this is the entire tank. So now I have to drain the reservoir, the tank. You have to drain the tank and yeah, and see how we're gonna take out the sensor. So I've got the line that goes to the windshield wipers, and this is the motor. When you press your lever on the dashboard, this motor turns on and then shoots the fluid down the line up to your windshield. So this is your motor, and I believe this guy right there is my sensor, but we're gonna find out in a minute as soon as that thing drains out. Okay guys, this thing is still draining, so meantime I already checked. This is the sensor right here, so we're gonna just unhook it. We need to pop this guy first and then squeeze it down and then wiggle it. There we go. Then when this thing drains out, this should just come out. So when we take it out, we're gonna test it out and see if the sensor is bad. I mean, obviously I'm getting a notification when this thing is full, but it might be something else. It might be your fluid being, I don't know, some kind of a different fluid. But my guess is when I do a jumper between this and this terminal, basically get them short. When I got them short, then the notification on my dashboard is gonna disappear. And if that's true, then we know how to test this guy. So let me grab a paper clip or something. Let's see if we can test it out. Okay guys, have my little paper clip jumper. Okay, now it's between 1 and 2. I'm gonna go inside and check and see. Okay guys, I'm back. So yes, that sensor is pretty simple, and yeah, basically when you show those two, this sensor that's the entire idea. Yeah, these two leads going in. Well, let me see if I can pull it out. There you have it guys. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna test it. gonna be real quick and real simple. Okay guys, so like I said, this is a sensor, believe it or not, from the leads inside here. Basically this metal transfers to a metal tubing, which is this guy, and that's it. The way how these two guys getting short is basically the water. That's it. Super simple. Yeah, so let me show you. I think I know what's my problem, but let's check it out. So this is my two leads. You guys don't need this type of a multimeter. You guys can get, you know, Harbor Freight, whatever, just as long as you guys have a continuity test, just like that. So I get this guy right there, this guy right there, and now we need to short two leads on the inside. Yeah, see that? It works. So you guys will say like, well, then what was the problem? Well, problem was that I bought this fluid that supposedly help your windshield washing fluid, I guess. Yeah, I'll never buy that crap again. But when you touch it, there's some kind of a coating that it looks like it's coating the top of your sensor, two leads, and now they're not making continuity. So yeah, I will never buy that crap again. So yeah, you guys saw that. Sensor is working. Sensor is fine. Let me show you again. Good. Sensor is good. So now I'm gonna drain the fluid. I'm gonna put a brand new fluid. Even this one is not bad, but like I said, I will find a picture of that fluid so you guys don't use it on this particular vehicle with this particular sensor. I'm sure, maybe, I don't know, you guys can use it maybe on a different vehicle that doesn't have this type of a sensor for continuity, you know. So with this type of sensors, I wouldn't use it. Like I said, everything was working just fine. I put the new fluid in it that supposedly it's helping your windshield. Let me see if I can find a picture on my iPhone and show it to you guys. Okay guys, so I found it. So with this type of a sensor, you know, on your vehicle, I don't know if you guys can Google it or whatnot, but basically on 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300, do not add this type of additive. So this guy is a washer fluid additive, treats 4 gallon, instantly applies a Rain-X treatment. So basically this maybe is good for your windshield, but it feels like oily type of a substance. I don't know. I think it's supposed to coat your windshield with some kind of a protection or whatnot. Well, you know, it looks like there is additive that actually works for that it helps, you know, for your windshield. But you know, with a sensor like this one, the one that needs a continuity, I guess it got it coated to the point where there is not basically the water becomes non-conductive, or there's like too much resistance basically to be able to make a short between these two leads in the water, which technically this is not a water, it's a how's that, coolant. Yeah, honestly I don't know what inside of the windshield washing fluid, but you know, whatever it is, it's a chemical. So yeah, that's it guys. So basically do not add this type of a windshield fluid additive to your windshield washing fluid. Oh man, yeah. So how we're gonna fix it, I'm gonna spray my sensor. I mean, the sensor is already, you know, working as soon as when I wipe it, but I'm gonna spray a little bit of brake cleaner, and then we're gonna put everything back together. So yay, let's do this again. Let's put everything back together, I mean. Okay guys, so I have a little bit left over. This is just the fluid. Just the fluid is totally fine. Set, just not the additive. I don't know if that's gonna be enough, so yeah, let's find out. I think it's enough. I didn't see any notifications on the dashboard, but let me show you. So you guys can see, take a key, boom, see that? Nothing. Still nothing. Nope. So we got it fixed. Boom! Like I was saying, it is perfect. It's working just fine. I'll still need to buy some more and top it off. But yeah, there you have it, guys. So now I need to drive the vehicle a little bit more and check the oil, because on the previous video we changed the oil. So we need to drive it a little bit and then see how is the oil, what level it is, to see if I need to top it off. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put a link right here above me, so you guys should go and check it out. And yeah, this is how you guys gonna save some money, you know. So yeah, this is how you guys gonna save some money, you know, and use those money to, I don't know, go and play some PlayStation, or you know, wherever you guys want to spend your money. Put it in rough ROA, or you know, one of those savings accounts, or you know, save some money for some new rims, new paint, new whatever. You guys can, you know, do whatever you guys want. So there it is, guys. If someone's telling you that you guys cannot drive a Mercedes or Audi or a Porsche or a Ferrari or a Lambo, just tell them nope, I can drive one of those. See guys, if you guys do your maintenance on your own, boom, right there. Today, if you guys drove this Mercedes to a dealership, I'm not 100% sure, but usually it's gonna be, hey, we need to replace your sensor, and they're gonna, you know, charge you probably $100 per hour. Be like easily, let's say $200, 2 hours, you know. So 2 hours, usually I think they're charging like a $150 an hour, so that's $300, and then another $50 for a sensor. I found the sensor. If I needed to replace the sensor online, not online, but I'm saying that if I needed to replace the sensor and if I needed to buy it, it's actually $10, $12, something like that. So with taxes, call it $15. So $15 for a sensor. But on that sensor, you guys saw it, it's just two metal leads going in and they're being shorted through the water. That's it. So technically, if you guys don't cut the wires, hit it to your front bumper or something, that sensor is, you know, there's nothing to be broken on that sensor. You cannot really break it, you know what I mean? That sensor shouldn't go bad. So yeah. Yeah, buddy. So, like I was saying, this is how you guys can save money and drive a nice car. Simple it is. Just do your maintenance on your own. So, once again, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I'm gonna put a link up there, so you guys can go and check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. There is a 50% of you guys that are not subscribed to my channel, so please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video as well. So you know, when you guys like this video, YouTube algorithm kicks in and spreads the video, you know, a lot more, so other people can see it, so everybody can afford to drive a nice car instead of, you know, paying a bunch of money and still drive a shitty car. Yeah. Okay, thanks so much guys for watching. Don't forget once again to hit the like button, smash the like button, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.